Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be introducing you to this latest mining baby in town. So this has been going viral for like a while. You can see I just log in here. Let me just claim here. This has been going viral for like a while and you really need to participate, okay? So a lot of you people might have heard about Hamster Combat. Believe me, honestly, Hamster Combat is another nut coin, no doubt about that. Okay, so if you are not doing this now, start doing it so that you cannot be left out. Okay, a lot of you people have heard about tap swap. This Hamster Combat also is about typing the screen. Okay, gently tapping the screen to add up your coin, your Hamster Combat coin. Okay, so the simple example here, you can see you can type it with your 3 fingers so that it can be easier. Right, you can see I keep typing. You can see my pumping double. It is because I have made a lot of claims that will be able to make me like 10k coins per hour. Okay, so let's quickly go into that without waste of time. I'm going to introduce you, walk you through the background and see how really it works. Okay, so if you just all you just need to do to begin this is just have a telegram, open a telegram account, and it's very simple. If you open a telegram account, all you just need to do is to click on the link, my referral link that I'm going to drop it to you at the comment section and at the descriptive section of this very video, so that it will just take you to the telegram straight. Okay, so the first thing that you must just need to check up on this very place is to make sure you check on this place. This is the exchange. You must link this to exchange. Okay, you can either do it down there or you do it up here. Okay, it's very vital you link it to an exchange. Okay, so at your first, in this very place, you can be seeing this n3 plus 3 per tap is because I've made a lot of claims. Okay, if you want to make those claims, what would you do? You go to profit per hour. Okay, initially your own place here might be 0 or 500 or 1000 coin, as the case may be. Okay, so if you click on this place, if you click on this profit per hour, it will give you a lot of place to claim. Okay, so let's quickly take care of that and see. Okay, if you click on this place, it will give you a lot of place to claim. Like in my own case now, because I've already started, it's going to show me start mining, boost your profits. Okay, it will show you boost your profits. After that, you can just click on this start mining. You can see all this daily combo of 5 million plus. You can just claim it. Okay, so these are daily combos. There are also a lot of things there that you need to unlock for your daily earning to be increased. Okay, for your daily earning to be increased, you need to claim a lot of things here. Maybe, you know, you need to check up on this. Anyone that is unlocked is the one you're going to check. You take this, just click it, it will be added. So this taking, you see, so it's not yet unlocked, so you leave it alone. Come to all these places, can keep clicking and keep claiming. Okay, but before you can be able to do this, you must first get a lot of coins by what? By tapping. Okay, get a lot of what? A lot of coins by tapping. Okay, by tapping, as I showed you earlier, you can see keep typing, get a lot of coins, and then use those coins to increase your profit per hours. You can see. Okay, so the next thing, one of the most fascinating thing about this place that you must know is what is the referral program. This is the referral program. Oh no, sorry, this is the referral program. Okay, that's where you see friends. You see here, you see friends. Click on it. So this is where you're gonna go into invite a friend. Okay, you invite your friends. The moment you invite a friend, you're gonna go into earn plus 5,000 for you. Okay, you earn plus 5,000 instantly. That is plus 5,000 of this Hamster Combat coin. So if you invite a friend with a Telegram, you're gonna going to get what? Plus 25,000 for you and your friend. Both of you people gonna going to get this. So the favor you can do to me is that like my videos, watch my videos, and the most importantly, use my referral link to sign up on this. Okay, so that we'll keep doing this together. All right. So I'm going to drop my referral link, as I said earlier, at the comment section of this very video, and also at the descriptive section of this very video, so that we can keep doing this together. Okay. So we go back again. I hope you are getting this. If you're not getting it, please um drop your question at the comment sections. I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay. Don't forget, you must always keep what? Keep tapping. This screen is all about tapping. Okay, as I said earlier, this is another not coin. You must not kid with it. Okay, so the next thing you click on this mining I've showed you before, right? Okay, in this very place you can be getting your daily combos and the others. In this friends, I've explained this. What about in this earning? Okay, in this earning, there's what we call daily rewards on this very place. Daily, you can come to this place to always claim this. It will always be available. If you don't claim it, it will be expired. Okay, if you don't claim it, it will be what? It will be expired. So where is the claim? This is the daily claim. You must come to this place, claim it to add your what? To add your coins. This is the most fastest way for you to add your coin. Okay, just click on claim. There's no stress about that. All you just need to do is just click on claim to claim this plus 6 million everything. Okay, you can see you can join the TG channel. I've already done all this, so you must follow it up to do it as well, so that you get all this claim. Okay, join the Twitter, choose this. Okay, invite tree. This is a struggle we are into now. Okay, invite tree, you get plus 5,000 coin of this very Hamster comeback. Okay, and as I said earlier, always claim this. It's a daily reward. As you see, it's a daily what? It's a daily reward. Okay, I think this enough for this video now. So if you, I would love to stop here, but if you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will get to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.